Hi, my name is Emma Smith-Barton. I'm the author of The Million Pieces of Neena Gill. Today I'm going to share my top tips on writing a synopsis. A synopsis is a summary of your book, detailing the narrative arc and including the ending. It's different to a blurb, which withholds information to keep suspense. Here are my top tips. Number 1. You want to include the important details of your book at the start of your synopsis. So include the title, the age range you're writing for, and the genre you're writing in. You also want to introduce your main character at the start of your synopsis. So we want to know who your protagonist is, or your main characters if there's not one main protagonist, and the problem that they're going to face in the story, and also the setting. Tip number 2, keep it simple. Your synopsis should be written in third person present tense and in simple language. It might be tempting to show off your writing skills here, but this isn't the place to show off your writing skills. It should be written clearly and simply, and the aim of it is just to get your story across. Tip number 3, less is more. A synopsis should only be around one side long, and for the purpose of this application, the maximum word limit is 500 words. So don't be tempted to include lots of detail from your story. We want to just know the main plot points, and you should focus on the inciting incident, the rising action, the climax, and the resolution. Tip number 4, focus on your main character or characters. The character's goal and motivation are really important to describe, so focus on that. We want to see the character's arc, and you want to see how the character has changed by the end of the novel. My last tip, tip number 5, is to edit, edit, edit. Check for any repetitions, check that you've described everything clearly and simply, and then I would suggest that you get someone who doesn't know the story at all to read through it and check for clarity. Having those fresh pair of eyes can just make all the difference. So they are my top tips. I wish you the best of luck with your application and happy writing.